Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Android games on your Windows 11 PC using the MSI app player. And the best part is you've already downloaded it, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and launch the MSI app player from your desktop or start menu. It might take a few seconds to load up, and once it does, you'll see an Android-style interface that looks just like a tablet. Now, the first thing you want to do is to sign in with your Google account, just like you would do on any Android phone. This lets you access the Google Play Store so you can browse and download games directly inside the emulator. Once you are signed in, open the Play Store, search for your favorite Android game like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, Genshin Impact, or anything else, and hit install. You're now playing an Android game on your PC. That's interesting, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.